This is the newest birdie. Got these pretty colors. So yellow. Look at the cute birdie. This is the new baby bird. It's all feathered out already. Still mellow yellow. That's cute. But still in the little birdhouse. Hasn't come out. So just taking them out to get used to being held. That's all. Say hi. This one is so much more chill than the other one was. At the same time, I took the other bird out and it was biting and trying to get away so bad. But this one is so chill. And I'm gonna guess that this one is a male and the other one is female, and that's why. Because what I've learned so far is that the males are so much more friendlier than the females. They will let you grab them. The females are not. They're more skittish. But this one, I'm gonna predict this one to be a male. We'll see. Look at how chill. We'll see how the colors keep changing. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. This is only my second time taking baby bird out. Doesn't give me any issues. My baby mellow yellow. Alright, I'm gonna put baby bird back. Oh, but it's so cute.